Badam Dream Mocktail. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more nice mocktail. Actually, mocktail name is Badam Dream with the combination of actually you want like Badam crush. You have to take a shaker glass. First of all, I'll tell you how to make the Badam Dream Mocktail. Take a shaker glass and add lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 15 to 20 15 10 to 15 ml of peach syrup. This is very fancy mocktail, you can try. Okay, then you have to pour 30 ml of badam crush. You have to pour. I think this mocktail in that like social media you can see the first time for this mocktail. Okay, after that you have to pour like 120 to 240 ml of apple juice. Okay, this is a very simple mocktail, you can try. Okay, okay, after that, okay, 120 ml to 240 ml of, okay, then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Okay, don't add any other things. Okay, then you have to shake all the ingredients properly, shake well. Okay, after that simply just remove the shaker glass and take a fancy glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. See how the color came. You can try this mocktail. This is little bit of sweet mocktail, you can try. Then you can garnish with apple or wooden slices, and you can decorate the mocktail with garnish umbrella. See how the fancy mocktail is ready. You can serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers also, and you can try this mocktail. If you want sweet mocktail, then you have to try this mocktail, very fancy mocktail. Then you can garnish with some mint spring. See, your mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail with the combination of apple juice and badam crush and peach syrups. Okay, this is very simple mocktail, you can try. Okay, I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.